Welcome to Kids Tunes Nursery Rhymes,
where singing is fun, dancing is easy, and every rhyme brings a smile. Come on friends, let's sing and play together, where singing is fun.
Rain, rain, go away. Cloudy skies are here to stay. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, soft and slow, dripping from the roof below. Puddles grow and flowers sway. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, tapping sound, splashing puddles all around. Boots go squish along the way. Rain, rain, go away. Rain,